Hey guys, welcome back to Pabbly. So in this video, we are going to learn how to add new sales from Razorpay to Google Sheets automatically. Like suppose I operate an online business and receive all of my payments via Razorpay. Here Pabbly Connect help me to ensure I log all the details about my successful payment in my Google Sheet. Here for the trigger, we will select Razorpay and for the action, we will select Google Sheets. Here automatically, if the payment will be get successful and Razorpay, automatically the details will be sent to Google Sheet and it will create a new row. So now without wasting any time, let me take you to my screen and show you how to create this. Welcome back to my screen. In today's video, I'll show you how to automatically record every successful payment from Razorpay into your Google Sheet using an amazing automation software, Pabbly Connect. If you also run an online business like I do, this amazing setup will help you track all of your sales in real time without manually doing anything. So before telling you how you can create this amazing automation with the help of Pabbly Connect, let me give you a quick real-time example of how it works. So as on my screen, you can already see this Razorpay dashboard open. So firstly, I'll show you how we can make a payment and how automatically it will be recorded on our Google Sheet. So firstly, we have to make a payment for that. So here we will go on the left-hand side of our Razorpay dashboard and click on this show all option. Here we'll click on this payment page button. Now here on my screen, you can see the several items and also services over here. So I'll make a payment for one of these. So I'll choose this black t-shirt from the first one over here and copy this page URL like this. Now I will open it in a new tab, and here as you can see, black t-shirt is over here, and also the amount for this black t-shirt is ₹500. Also they're asking me to fill some more details like email, phone number, first name, last name, city and pin code. But before moving forward, a point to be noted that my Razorpay is in test mode over here. Only test payments can be made from this payment page is mentioned like this. So now firstly I'll fill all the details over here. So here on my screen you can see that I have filled some dummy details over here like phone number, email and other details. Now I'll click on this pay ₹500 button like this, and now they're asking me the payment option. So I'll simply choose for UPI payment from here. Now here I'll enter a dummy ID. After entering that, I have to click on this verify and pay option like this. Now here as you can see, they are accepting my payment, and as you can see, my payment of ₹500 is successful. Now I will take you to my Google Sheet and show you the details which have been received over there after this payment. Now here in my spreadsheet, you can see all the details which I have received after the payment. That is ID, name of the user, dummy user that I have mentioned, the email, city, pin code and also the amount for the black t-shirt. That was ₹500. So to know how to create this amazing automation for your online business, let me give you a step-by-step instructions how you can create it. To access Pabbly Connect, firstly we have to open a new tab. Here on the search bar, we have to search pabbly.com/connect and enter it. Now we have landed on the home page of Pabbly. But before moving further, let me give you a quick brief about the Pabbly community. The Pabbly community is a space for users to share workflows, solve doubt and connect with like-minded automation and business enthusiasts. To join the Pabbly community, we have the link given in our description. Now coming back to our home page, here on the top right-hand side corner, we can see two options: sign up for free and sign in. Sign up for free is for the new user, and as I already have my account, I'll directly sign in. Now we are directed towards this page of Pabbly. Here we can see all the apps powered by Pabbly. So we have to go on this Pabbly Connect option over here and click on this Access Now button. Now we have landed on the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. Here we can manage and create all our automation workflows in one place with Pabbly Connect dashboard. To create a new workflow, firstly we have to move towards the right hand side corner and click on this Create Workflow button. Here Pabbly Connect offers two workflow builder: Classic, Simple and Stable Builder, and the new beta version, which is faster, flexible with a modern drag and drop view. We will use new beta version for better automation and visualization. Here we have to click on the select button like this. Here in the create workflow dialog box, firstly they're asking for the workflow name. So I'll mention the name over here first. So I have given it a name of add new sales from Razorpay to Google Sheet automatically. Next up we have the select folder option. Here we can select the folder or subfolder where we want to create the workflow. So I'll select the automation folder over here. To know how to create a folder, you simply have to click on this learn more blue text like this, and on this page you will get all the details over here how you can create a folder of your own. Now I will again take you back to my dashboard of Pabbly Connect. Now here we have to click on this create button like this, and now we are directed towards our flow builder page of Pabbly Connect. Here on the left hand side you can see the name of my workflow. Also you have to toggle this button on to activate it. Here now before creating a workflow, there are two very important aspects of creating it. it, that is triggers and action. So firstly, we will click on this plus button like this and select our trigger as Razorpay. After selecting the trigger as Razorpay, here we have to select the app event. So for that, we have to select payment captured like this. And now we have to click on this connect button. Now here, as you can see, we have received this webhook URL. It will work as a bridge between the Pabbly Connect and the Razorpay. We have to copy it and paste it in the Razorpay account. Also, here are all the steps given in the description, how we can do that. So firstly, we have to copy this webhook URL from here, and now I'll take you to the Razorpay dashboard. Here we landed on the Razorpay dashboard. As you can see, it is in test mode over here. Now I will show you how you can add the webhook URL over here. So firstly, we have to go to the left hand side of our dashboard, and here on the last second option, you can see this developers option. We have to click on this, and now we can see on the top APIs and webhooks. We have to click on this webhooks option like this, and now here on the top right hand side corner, we can see this add new webhooks option over here. So we have to click this button, and now here we have to paste our webhook URL like this. Also, we have to provide a secret and provide an email ID over here like this. Also, for the active events, we have to select payment captured like this. Now after successfully filling all these steps, we have to click on this create webhook button like this. And as you can see, webhook saved successfully. Now I will again take you back to the Pabbly Connect workflow builder page. Here, as you can see, still they are waiting for the webhook response. So firstly, for that, we have to make a payment. So for that, we will again go back to our Razorpay dashboard like this, and here we will again make a payment. We'll firstly click on the show all option over here like this and click on this payment pages. Again, we are directed towards the payment page. Now here we will again make the payment for the black t-shirt, but this time we will change the details. So firstly, we have to copy the URL from here and open it in a new tab like this. Now here, as you can see, the details of this black t-shirt ₹500. Now I will fill all the details over here. Now here, as you can see, I have filled all the dummy details over here again, like email, phone number, first name, last name, city and pin code. Now again, we will click on this pay ₹500 option over here. Now again, they're asking for the payment option. So we will select this UPI payment. So like this, here we have filled the payment ID, and we will click on this verify and pay button. They are confirming our payment in a few seconds now. Now here, as you can see, my payment is successful. Now I will again take you back to a Pabbly Connect flow builder sheet. So here, as you can see, the response A is received 8 seconds ago, and here you can see all the details like the email ID and also the username, the details about the amount and everything over here, as you can see. Now we will move further and add the action step over here. So we will click on this plus button like this and choose the Google Sheets over here. Now for the app event, we will select add new row like this and click on this connect button. Now here, as you can see, there are two options, add new connection and select existing connection. So I will add a new connection over here, but if you already have an existing connection, you can simply choose this. So now for adding a new connection, we have to click on this and go to this sign in with Google option. Now here I will select the email address over here, and as you can see, connection created successfully is shown over here. For selecting the spreadsheet, I will choose Razorpay payment details like this, and here automatically the sheet is selected as one. Now here I will map the details. Here we do mapping in Pabbly Connect using the data from the triggers to our action. Instead of manually typing everything, we can map the dynamic data and enter the values like ID, name, email, city and pin code. So firstly, I will map for the ID over here. So this is my ID. I will select this. Now moving forward, we will map for the name. As I have asked my customer their first name and last name separately, so for bringing them together in this field, firstly, I will select this first name, give a space, and here map the field of name again and choose the last name like this. Now coming to the email, we will search here email. Now we will move forward with the city. Next up, we have the pin code. The last option, that is for amount. So here, as you can see, all the fields have been mapped over here. Now simply, we have to click on this save and send test request. And here, as you can see, it has successfully been fetched. Now we will save this from here. Now I will again take you back to my Google Sheets. So here, as you can see, the details of my latest payment is being received over here successfully. The payment ID, the name, smart user, email, smart@pabblytudes.com, the city that I have mentioned, Bhopal, pin code, and also the amount. So like this, we have created this connection between Razorpay and our Google Sheets successfully. Similarly, like this, if you also own an online business, you can create this connection between Razorpay and Google Sheet, which will help you to track all of your financial activities which is happening in Razorpay. Not just these applications, you can integrate many more applications like this with the help of Pabbly Connect. Now to connect with us, you can email us at support@pabbly.com. For more questions and queries, you can reach out to us at forum.pabbly.com, and for more pricing related details, you can visit the website mentioned over here. Also, Pabbly Connect comes with some free plans. So what are you waiting for? Try this amazing automation today.